Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, Cancers. So these are for your daily energy, Cancers, for your career and love situation. We'll be picking two cards, guys, from this deck. One card for your career situation and one card for your love energy. So this is for your career situation, Cancers, and this is for your love reading, guys, and one card from the angel oracle guidance. This is the card. I'll leave it here. We will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So for your daily reading first, it's the Hangman, 10 of Wands and 2 of Wands. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you are uncertain about certain things, guys. Maybe some choices that you need to make today. You are trying to be more flexible. You are trying to give up your past ways or change yourself in some ways, trying to accept whatever choices or whatever is coming towards you. And maybe for some of you, you are changing the dreams you have about certain things, trying to align your dreams with however your situation is unfolding for you, and trying to adapt and being very flexible today. So this may be something regarding your work situation or your personal life situation, guys. That is what I see. And you are taking tremendous efforts, guys, making tremendous efforts, and you have too many burdens on your shoulders today. Certain things you need to do, certain responsibilities you have today, and you may be overwhelmed with burdens, and you do things in a particular order. You have certain beliefs and ideals, and maybe because of that you may be doing things in a very difficult way here, guys. That is also what I see here. You are trying to be more flexible. That is what I see. And you are a person who uses your power and authority in your situation to do certain things, and you have that courage and confidence in your situation. And maybe sometimes, guys, you have to keep a check on that. You may feel that you are doing things in the right way and you are the only one doing things in the right way, and you may have that you may have your self-interest before the interest of others. And also you may feel that you are a very successful person in your life. You have that power and authority in your situation. So that sense of authority should not intoxicate your mind and cloud your judgment. So you have to be really careful, Cancers. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for your situation. This may relate to your career or personal life, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. 6 of Water. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, you have you are feeling really nostalgic, thinking about what you need to do today, just wishing those good old days are here in your career. Maybe some past success you have experienced, and you want to return to those days, how you were then enjoying that time. So maybe you are talking about your success or dreams or achievements, whatever you did in the past, to some colleagues or people you work with your employees, you're sharing your past success or dreams with someone. That is what I see with this card, guys. So what is the card for your relationship? Page of Fire. So with this card in your situation today, you may be stepping into a new phase in this connection, guys. Maybe you are seeing a new person, you are interested in a new person, or some kind of adventure you are heading towards, maybe something which you have never tried before. With this person you are already in connection with, maybe a new phase of a relationship. Maybe for some of you, you may be taking a trip together, maybe on an adventure trip, something of that sort, guys. And you are feeling really confident and strong today in this connection. You have that great understanding, compatibility, and you feel that this person loves you and respects you just like you love them and respect them. So you feel that you share a great understanding in this connection, guys. That is what I see with this card for your relationship, Cancers. Let us see what is your angel guidance card. Courage. So with this card, we know what is the meaning of that card, guys. So courage is the card here. So whatever our situation is, maybe sometimes we have our own beliefs and ideals, whatever we follow. Sometimes in certain circumstances we should not give up those ideals or belief, but we have to go in for that, bring that other person to understand in a harmonious way, guys. We should not control or ignore them, but we have to encourage them to come out with the truth in their heart, tell us what they feel truly in that situation. So we have to have compassion, but at the same time we have to be firm. We should not give our own ideals or belief in any situation. So when we stand up for what we believe in that particular circumstance, and when we encourage that other person also to do that same thing, and when we have that compassion, we will stand tall in life, and we will move forward in life with that confidence and courage. That is what this card is about, guys. So we should be able to stand up for what we believe, whatever our circumstances, guys. That is the guidance, the angel guidance for you all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancers.